Hi, Brandon Strange with ERA Key Realty. Today I'm at Emerson Place, a wonderful 43-lot subdivision located in the lovely town of Millis, Massachusetts. While the first phase of new construction homes is wrapping up, I thought I'd give you a little tour of our Lansing model, the one behind me, to provide you an idea as to the quality of these beautiful homes, priced between 1 and 1.1 million, depending on the options you choose and the upgrades that that are provided for you. So let's go ahead and take a look, and I'll show you around.